Hey everyone, so today I wanted to review the ABH Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 1 Collection Palette. This retails for $60 US and can be purchased on a plethora of sites. Ulta, Sephora, the ABH website, etc. This isn't limited edition. I believe it's permanent. It doesn't say limited edition anywhere that I've seen. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I did a 3 looks 1 palette video with this palette and I will link that down below for you guys to go check out. I really liked the looks that I created. So you get this really big palette, which obviously is quite different compared to the normal ABH. Like, that's the size difference. You get 25 shades.
Whereas typically in the other ABH palettes you
typically get 14 in these palettes. It comes with a very large mirror and it sits up by itself. So if you want to set it on your vanity or wherever, you can and it will stay up. Personally, I think the quality feels very good. Like, it feels weighted. It doesn't feel cheap. I definitely think Norvina put a lot of her heart and soul into this product. When you open it, you get all of these beautiful shades. Out of all the shades I have tried, the only shade that I wasn't a fan of as much is this shade D1, this yellow, which I love yellow eyeshadow, so it's a little bit of a bummer. The only thing wrong with that shade is that I can't use it as an overall lid shade. It just is quite splotchy if I do that, but if I blend it into the crease, it's fine. Everything else that I used blended beautifully. It was pigmented right off the bat. It wasn't chalky or dry. These do feel dry when swatched, but using your brush, they aren't at all. Of course, there are lots of purple tones, so if you don't like purple shadows, this probably wouldn't be for you, but I love purple. It's my favorite color, and I definitely love that there are some bright shades. You can do a plethora of looks. You can do something more natural, or you can freaking just have fun with it. I personally was able to purchase mine with 20% off at Sephora, so I did get a little bit of a discount. I personally love it. I do think that the quality may even be better than the normal ABH shadows. I'll try and show you guys a size comparison. So this is the size comparison between the normal shadows and the new Norvina palette. A lot of people weren't sure how they felt about the packaging going from this to this, but I personally like it. I like the difference. At first I also was like, I don't know about it, but I like it. I think it feels very like bougie and luxurious, and it's not thick. Like, if you have the Jeffree Star Blue Bud palette, that is a thick palette, and it makes me not like it much because the fact that it's just hard to store, whereas this one, you get a ton of shades, a good mirror, plus it's sleek. It still fits in with other palettes.
It is literally just as thin as the normal one, so that's pretty cool.
Obviously, I have the Alyssa Edwards palette, and I don't think that there are any dupes between the two. I think that some of the brighter shades may be similar, but I don't think that they're dupes at all. I think they're very different tone-wise. What do you guys think about this palette? I personally think it's worth the money, and I think it's permanent, so if you do want to wait for the next Sephora sale, I would recommend that just because you might be able to get it on sale. But I really like this. This is my favorite palette of my life right now. Ever since I got it, it's been my favorite palette, and I really, really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, MakeupByTashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.